What is going on, everybody? Up here at the shop with Up in Smoke Drifting, working on their Nissan. Waiting on the 240 to come here. It's officially sold, like for good. I got a new car. Haven't shown you guys yet, but it will be soon. Gonna help the guy finish the angle kit on it. A few other small things we had to do on it. Told him I'd help him because he has really no clue on what goes where, so I'm gonna show him. Plus I kinda wanna finish the series with you guys anyways. But right now, Paulie Wally has his car on the alignment rack. Last year got into a little bit of a spaceship crashing, so he's trying to get it somewhat straight for this year. Otherwise, he said that he bought a gallon of gas and a match, and he just put full coverage on it, so.
Who made this shit?
Could have bought a nice kit, you know, but instead you gotta.
They don't make shit for these.
Yeah.
Oh. No, that's not working. Watch your fingers. My fingers.
There's no spaces that go between those?
I already got a dog band-aid on, you see that?
Oh, that's so cute. Last, the pizza. You hungry?
Oh yeah, always.
You ever need your door service? You know, we got professional licensed installer. Oh.
Meat lovers.
Oh.
Let's pull the bread off of it, they'll be keto.
You're good. Oh, is it done? Oh no. Oh, let's come back in.
About 50,000 pieces.
Which way does this spin?
Well, this is a change of scenery. The 300 is out of here. It's done. Paulie Wally and Mr. Phillips are just kind of hanging out, helping Mr. Young. This is the new 240 owner. Proud of the big ugly.
Oh yeah.
He hasn't even driven it yet, and he's already doing work on it.
Already putting mad at angle on it.
Yeah. This is what I never finished. Look at that.
All you had to do.
This is literally all I had to do, and I was so goddamn lazy.
Look how many threads were in that tie rod.
Nice.
So we're good.
So here's a lot of them.
I was gonna get
Oh, here we go.
adjust.
This is still hardly my car.
I would have got adjustable rear control arms. I was gonna go with all the works.
I'm probably gonna slide it for a year, and I might make it a fucking track car.
Ooh. Oh my god. That's terrible.
Look at it now. I'm drifting just how it sits.
Come on. Yep. Yep. That way. That way. Come on. Yep. Stall it out. Start it quick. Yeah. Almost there.
You just stay on, heavy on the gas, heavy on the clutch.
Right. No power steering's gonna suck too.
She gone.
Hell yeah.
She gone.
Oh yeah.
Made a big mistake.
You think so?
No, it's a really nice car. After seeing the other side of it,
That's it. It's the end of the story. 240 is gone. There she goes. We got Paul over here hanging out. It's raining. We'll go inside and close up, I guess. All right, that is it for the 240 build on my end anyways. If he wants to film, you know, he'll probably let me know. But it runs, it drives, angle kit is on. We couldn't do the 5-lug swap because there's no tires on the 5-lug wheels. But overall, it was a fun project, great build. I do actually kind of miss it now that it's actually, you know, done and drivable, but it is what it is. I have a new drift car that once I get everything settled on it, I'll let you guys know. And like always, another project, another week. So as always, don't forget, like, subscribe, share. Till next time.